Can we talk about how flip-flops suddenly became cool again? Here at FeetFinder, we notice that they're literally everywhere right now. Celebrities are wearing them, luxury brands are making their own versions, and if you live somewhere warm, you've probably been seeing them nonstop. The problem is, most beginner foot models don't really know how to pose in flip-flops. And honestly, they can be like super tricky. So today I'm going to show you some super easy poses that instantly are going to make your feet look longer, leaner, and way more photogenic in photos. Before we jump into poses, let's talk about why this matters. So flip-flops used to be something that you would just throw on to go for a quick trip to the beach or like the grocery store. Now they're a legitimate fashion trend. You got celebrities like Hailey Bieber, Holmes, like styling them with outfits and looking surprisingly chic. The brands like the Prada, and Balenciaga started putting their own luxury spin on the look, and suddenly everybody's paying attention. So if you live in like Florida, California, Texas, Hawaii, Arizona, honestly, anywhere where it's warm, flip-flops are practically part of their daily uniform. So if you're taking feet pics right now, knowing how to photograph them well is actually more useful than ever. Let's get into the poses. Pose 1, 1 foot forward. The easiest pose on this entire list is simply putting one foot slightly in front of the other. That's it. You'd be surprised how much better this looks compared to standing perfectly straight with both feet side by side. That tiny shift creates shape, makes your legs look longer, and gives the photo a more natural feel. Whenever you're not sure what pose to do, start here. Pose 2, the walking shot. This pose is probably one of my favorites because it doesn't even feel like posing. Just walk. Seriously, take a few slow steps while the camera just shoots continuously. The movement just creates this natural foot placement and gives the photo that more effortless lifestyle look everyone loves. Some of the best photos happen when you're between poses and not thinking about posing at all. That's usually where the magic happens. Pose 3, crossed ankles. If you want something a little more elegant, try crossing your ankles while sitting. This pose instantly just creates leaner lines and looks really flattering in photos. It's relaxed, it's feminine, and it works almost anywhere. Poolside, vacation photos, patio sitting, coffee shop content. The pose just works. Pose 4, point your toes slightly. This next step sounds kind of tiny, but it makes a huge difference. If you're sitting down, try pointing your toes slightly downward. Not like, just not dramatically. It's just enough to, make that little arch because, we're not auditioning for the ballet. Just enough to create a longer, smoother line through the foot. It's just one of those like little adjustments that instantly make the photo look more polished. Pose 5, the relaxed outdoor shot. Flip-flops naturally belong in relaxed environments, so just don't be afraid to lean into that. Instead of making the photo just entirely about your feet, create a scene. Maybe you're sitting by the river, maybe you're relaxing on a hammock, maybe you're just walking along the beach. The photo feels more interesting, like it's telling a story. And honestly, those are usually the ones people connect with the most. Quick photo tips. Before you start shooting, let's just go through a quick checklist. Make sure your flip-flops are clean. Those little tiny scuff marks show more than you think. Neutral colors usually photograph better than a busy pattern. Natural sunlight always wins over harsh indoor lighting. And moisturize your feet beforehand. And avoid those camera angles that squish your toes together because that rarely looks very flattering. So I think the biggest takeaway right now is that flip-flops are having a huge fashion moment right now, but the best photos still come from keeping things simple. You don't need complicated poses. A few small adjustments, good lighting, and a relaxed vibe can completely change how your photos look. If you enjoyed these foot model tips, let me know which pose was your favorite. If you want feet pic posing guides and foot model tutorials, make sure to subscribe and visit us at feetfinder.com for more. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.